Hey guys, it's Kate. Of course, welcome back to my channel. So hopping straight into this video, I have a wig sent from West Kids Hair. Here is the packaging, and this is a pretty simple put on your head and go wig. So that's what the wig comes in. It is curly. Like I said, it's already a pre-cut lace and bleach knots, pre-plucked hairline. But this is what the wig looks like inside of the packaging. They also sent over a little bonnet. They sent over some lashes. I stay away from these lashes, but they do send over lashes just in case you like your lash like that. Oh, what is this called? A stocking cap. A baby hairbrush, which I can appreciate because I feel like a lot lately, like they don't be supplying the baby hairbrushes anymore, the edge brush, but I can appreciate it. And let me let y'all know, so it is HD lace, undetectable lace. It is also a small cap size, so if you have a smaller size head, wait for that one because I'm going to tell you how it fits on a small head. So if it's like true to size, and it's also 20 inches. It looks like I'm gonna have to go in and like define the curls a little bit. I don't know, but let's see what she looks like straight out the packaging. So here is the hairline and the parting space, and it looks absolutely wonderful. Y'all see that? It looks real good. So yeah, it's not a full lace though, but it gives you enough lace just in case you want to part it on the side. But that's the knots, and they are bleached. It comes off to the side. It gives you a comb in the back, and then it gives you the little removable elastic. So my hair is already pulled back. I do not know, I do say a stocking cap, but I'm just gonna try it on without one for now. And she fits very well. So if you do have a smaller size head, even if you got some hair, like a small head, and you have hair, you'll have room like this. My head is very much small, and it's and I don't have no hair, so you can just imagine it. This wig fits really good, and I still have room, but I'm happy with the fit. So if your head is a little bit bigger than mine, or it's small with a lot of hair, or if it's medium size, I still think this will be a nice snug fit. So this is what the hairline looks like. So it already comes with a really nice hairline. Now, if you want to put it straight out of the package like this, you could. The curls are actually really pretty, if y'all can see that. And like I said, you can wear it on the side. This is what it looks like on the side. She is really cute. The lace is blending. Look how good the lace blends in. Like, okay, wait. But she is really pretty. I feel like I might just fix her up though. Real quick, watch how quick this be, y'all. Alright, I am going to tighten her because I didn't have the adjustable straps or this elastic band adjusted to its tightest. So I know once I do this wig, it's probably gonna fit uncomfortable tight. But if so, I will just loosen it back up. Alright, so this is like super tight, like real. It's real tight, but this thing not going nowhere. This ain't bad at all. I need to fill my little, let me get some water. Or should I do my edges first? to the edges. Cause why do you look this good? That's crazy. You know how like if you spray it, because I feel like I don't want to spray it. Do I want to spray this? Honestly, like I kind of do want to spray it just because. Wow, y'all, like it legit. I'm spraying this. And just like there's nothing heavy, you know. Kinda. It's water and conditioner in here. I'm gonna go and spray it so I can see what the curls look like and kind of define them a little bit more. Or, I mean, if you like the curls like this, but I need them a little bit more tame. I should have put a towel in here. Honestly, this here, right here, is a hand workout or something. I feel like I want to just throw my head under some water, if I'm being honest. Because who the fuck want to do this? Girl. Alright, so this side is wet, y'all. I'm going to come back when I get the other side. So this is what it looks like wet, and I definitely love the curls when they are defined, just way better. Look at it. After I kind of like did my edges, I sprayed it with the Got2b, and then I wrapped this elastic band back around. So I let it sit. Now I'm about to take it off. Ooh, this thing be hurting my ears. But look at that. Alright, so this is what it looks like after I put water and conditioner in it and kind of like brushed it through and defined the curls. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry, but I'm gonna go about my business and I probably film again tomorrow. Whatever the case may be, in this next clip, you're gonna see the curls all dry and defined and everything, so you can get kind of like a feel of what this wig will look like dry with the curls defined. But right now the hair is very much wet, but these are what the curls look like. So yeah, and I'm trying to figure out if I want to put some concealer in my part, but I think I am. So I'm gonna go in and use this Fenty concealer. I'm gonna come on here real quick. I'm sorry, y'all, but I forgot I had to film this. Now I installed this wig Thursday, so I wore it throughout the weekend, like Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Today is Monday, and this is what the hair looks like. And I still had to go in and refresh the curls and everything. So the curls are dry for the most part. I would say like 80% dry.